You won't believe what happened when I swapped caffeine for sunlight. Step 1. 20 minutes walking under trees. My brain fog vanished. Step 2. Cold morning air. Instantly snapped me into focus. Step 3. Journaling outside. My best ideas came when I felt the grass beneath me. Nature hacked my mind. My productivity soared, distractions faded, and creative blocks dissolved. It's not magic. It's biology. Your mind craves real light, movement, and air. Try it for a week. Watch your focus transform. Follow for real stories of people who broke free.